Guys, hi, what's up? I hope you guys are doing really great. And guys, if you're visiting my channel for the very first time, please do subscribe and press bell icon update so that whenever I upload new video for you guys, you will be the first one to get updates from me. You know what guys, I'm quite excited for today's video because I'm going to recreate this look right here, and she is Denitslava and her channel is Denitslava Makeup. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right, and if not then please excuse me for that. Also, I'm going to share her channel link in the description box below. Do not forget to check out her channel because let me tell you my experience. When I found out this channel on YouTube, I couldn't resist myself from watching her videos continuously. It was like binge watching web series kind of experience I was having at that time, and still I watch her videos. Even though I have watched it already, I kept watching it again and again. I don't know why, but there is something in her personality of what I don't know, but she's the cutest person I think in that way, and her makeup tutorials are so beautiful. She creates a wearable makeup looks, which is I know, but yes, as you guys love that, and yeah, I love wearable makeup looks also. I have tied my hair up because मुझे इस tutorial में कुछ भी disturbance नहीं चाहिए, not even my hair. So yeah, without wasting our time, let's just start our tutorial of this recreation look. As I watch her videos a lot, I know she likes medium to full coverage foundation, which I don't like, but yes, today we are going to use medium to full coverage foundation, and I have Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick with me. I am into shade 10 Latte. It is a bit lighter for my skin tone, but let me tell you guys, once it settle down, give it a time for a few minutes and it will look like your skin. So yeah, it oxidizes a bit. So yeah, I'm going to use this foundation today. I have just dotted foundation and I have not applied a much because it is buildable foundation, so if you need you can definitely build it up. I forgot to tell you guys, before application of foundation I have done my skincare and I have also used primer, so don't forget to use primer. Even this stick has brush, but I'm not really fan of this brush, so I'm using my flat kabuki brush and using that only. Today I'm going to work with my foundation. Don't forget your nail, your ears. So guys, how's your lockdown going on? मैं तो मेरे घर पे आ गई. I know मैं अभी भूत लग रही हूँ, but it is going to be fine within few minutes because it is going to oxidize a bit. So this foundation is useful for those who have very dry skin, and even for combination skin also, because it has a creamy texture, so you can use it. So this foundation has given me a very good coverage, even it has hide my dark circles a bit, and I quite like this foundation, but just use a little bit amount, just keep in mind that. I'm just going to give a few minutes to this foundation to settle down into my skin, and meanwhile we'll do eyebrows. For eyebrows I'm going to use brow powder from MyGlam, and it is HD brow powder in shade SD01 Walnut and Ebony. So there are two names because this stick has two ends. One is eyebrow powder and another is eyeliner. Right now I'm going to use brow powder only. It is very pigmented guys. With the help of spoolie, I'm going to diffuse that powder into my eyebrows. So that is my brow routine. It is very minimal, and right now I have that HD brow powder with me from MyGlam brand, but before that I was using black or dark brown eyeshadow from any palette that I have. So yeah, that's that. Now we are going to move ahead with our face makeup. So I'm going to do face makeup first, and after that I'm going to do eye makeup. So that is what I follow. As we see her photo, you can see she has bronzed up her face very well. I don't see any harsh contouring on her face, and even I know she loves bronzing up, and she even don't like doing nose contour much, but we are going to do a little bit nose contouring. I think I needed that, and we are going to bronze up our face. So for that I don't have any particular bronzing palette with me, so I'm going to use this Revolution palette. It's a red reloaded palette, so I'm going to use this shade and I'm going to bronze up my face a bit. I'm using this brush. Bye bye. If you don't know where to bronze up and where to contour, just do and you will get guideline line, and you can do your bronzing and your contouring also. And I have heart shaped face, so I really need contouring and bronzing up in this area, so I'm going to do that also. I am just going to define my jawline a bit because I have double chin. See, it makes a very much difference. Now you can see my jawline right here, and here you will see double chin. For nose contouring, I'm going to pinch my this brush like this, and I'm going to take shade of contouring. You will see sudden difference in these two areas like that. It is more structured nose I have. You will see that difference, and on the other side you will not see any visible difference. It is like plain. Okay, so that is pretty much about nose contouring, and I like to do contouring, my nose contouring like this way only. I don't like harsh any structure contouring, but definitely in future or within few days we can say I'm going to post a full face of contouring, so you will see that video on my channel very soon, and I'm going to do that using cream contouring and powder contouring both. So yeah, wait for that video if you want to know how to do contouring. Without blush I can't go anywhere. If you're that person, then yes, we are going to use blush definitely, but very little amount. And today I'm going to use sugar blush, and this is in shade 02 Pink Pinnacle, and it is very beautiful mauvish kind of a blush shade, and it is quite pigmented, you guys, so use it carefully. Okay, so I'm going to use same brush I use for contouring, and I'm going to take a very less amount and dust it off. And I'm just going to give my face a healthy chic look. I like to go overboard. I don't like to go overboard with my blush on nose, so I'm going to take a little bit amount, and I'm going to just use a very less amount of blush on my nose and on my chin also. Okay, so make sure guys you have diffused your blush and your contour slash bronzing up very well. You can see the structure, right? And my face is looking quite normal now. As you see that that shade of foundation shade has oxidized a bit. So yeah, now my face is looking quite human face. For my highlighter today, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty highlighter, and it is in shade 07. So this is like blusher and highlighter mix, but I like to use it as a highlighter. So in this look of we'll see a very good highlighting. So yes, we are going to do quite a good amount of highlighter. Now to set my base makeup, I'm going to use this Blue Heaven setting spray. For my eye makeup today, I'm going to use this palette from You Can Be. It is Pretty All Set palette, and I have already posted a review about this palette, so please check out. I'll mention in the cards somewhere, or else I'll mention the description also, so yeah, please check out. So today we are going to use this section from palette, which is warming up. And yes, let's start our eye makeup. Come closer. So I'm taking fluffy brush to define my face using a very dark brown shade. So I don't know why it was looking like different shade in the palette, and on my eyes it was looking different. So I have removed that color and I have concealed my lids using concealer as a primer, as a base for eyeshadow. And now I'm going to use a middle section from the palette, which is light up, and I'm going to use the shade which is contouring or bronzing shade from this palette. And yes, let's just see. I hope this is going to work. So firstly I'm going to take a lighter shade. Okay, yeah, this is working, I guess. So I have taken a lighter shade of contouring from the light up section, and now I'm just randomly applying above my crease line and diffusing at the same time. Now I'm going to take darker shade of contouring slash bronzing from the palette, and I'm going to create a dense crease look. So I'm not going to apply it above the crease line and below the crease line. I'm just going to stick around the crease line only, and using lighter contouring slash bronzing shade I'm going to diffuse that. Now I'm going to take a skin light shade from the warm up section, and I'm going to use that all over my lid. I have used this shade right here, and on the top of this shade I'm going to use this shade which has a finely infused metallic shimmer. I'm going to apply that shade all over my lid. On this area I have used this shade, and to diffuse it I have used this shade. Now same two shades I'm going to use under my lower lash line. I'm just pinching my brush like this and applying that eyeshadow. Let me tell you guys, camera is not doing its work properly. It is more looking like pigmented in real, but on camera it is not picking up. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to share a very good picture in thumbnail, so you will see the actual pigmentation. So yeah, now quickly I'm going to do my eyeliner using the same stick but using the other side, and which I have used earlier for doing my eyebrows, and now on the other side I have eyeliner, so I'm going to do that. It has tip like this, very small and precise, but I don't like this much eyeliner so much. If you want to know a review about this, let me know in the comment section. Also, I'm planning to do eyeliner trick for hooded eyes, how to do and how to apply eyeliner for hooded eyes. If you don't know even what is hooded eyes, then you will see in that video. So let me know guys, are you up for that or not? Using Blue Heaven mascara, I'm going to coat my lashes. I'm going to do both upper and lower as well. For my lips, again I'm going to use this lipstick from Blue Heaven. It is from range Elegance Matte Lip Color. I don't think it is going to look like a brownish red lipstick, so I'm going to use this shade. This is from the Fashion Factory in shade 13. I'm going to use this first, and on top of it I'm going to apply this, and this shade we can make it or not. Oh yes. Okay, so I think I have done pretty good job while recreating this look, and yeah, but let me tell you guys, I think there is something which is this camera is not actually picking up, so there is a no right pigmentation in this demonstration. So in the picture of thumbnail you will see the actual pigmentation of these colors, but by watching my lips I think I'm quite nailed it. Alright guys, so that's it for the today. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, let me know in the comment section below. Also, you know the drill guys, like, comment and share. Also, if you want to support me and if you like me, then please subscribe to my channel, press bell icon nearby it, so that whenever I upload new video for you guys, you will be the first one to get updates from me. So that's it guys, love you, bye bye, see you in the next video. Till then, take care.